Welcome to Roatán, Honduras. In this video, we're on the West End at Half Moon Bay. Come with me as I take you on a leisurely walk through the West End, and we'll start with visiting the beautiful beach.
Isn't this beautiful? Now that there is a dive boat. Diving is very popular here because Roatán sits right around the Mesoamerican Reef, and thus diving and snorkeling is amazing. And you can see how clear and beautiful the color of this water is. You can see right through it. And on this channel, I'm going to be showing you the snorkeling right here from the beach. There's great snorkeling from the left side and also from the right side. That woman looks very relaxed. This is the Beach House Hotel. It's a very nice hotel, one of the best. Actually, I would say it's the best here on Half Moon Bay. They go for somewhere around $200, $250, I think all the way up to $300 a night. It just depends on the room that you pick. And I think their cheapest is about $180 last I checked. And so the beach house, there are 3 floors there, and there's also a restaurant. Anyone can come to their restaurant and enjoy this fabulous view. And the restaurant also serves drinks. I took this boat the other day for snorkeling and a sunset tour last night. It was amazing. Okay, we'll come back to the beach in a little bit. We're gonna go back to the main road so I can show you some of the restaurants and shops and what it looks like. That was my captain from last night. Hey, how you doing? Buenos dias. Thank you. Oh, you too. Hello. See, people are very friendly here. All right, so this road is for cars and people to walk. Here's one of the dive shops. There are many on this same road. I'll show you my favorite dive shop a little later. And this whole road goes parallel to the beach. So you're having a nice view as you walk down the road. You'll see a lot of motorcycles here. So there's a couple of coffee shops. The Bean Crazy is one of them. Then you have some gift shops. This business here is a family-owned business. Great one to go to. They have a lot of unique items in there. Well, coconut water sounds good. That's the Roatan Marine Park. You can go in there and learn a little bit more about the reef here. And they also do a lot to help preserve the reef. We have nothing from China, and that's true. Everything there is made by recycled goods, and it's very unique things in there. I did a whole video on visiting that shop. You can also check that out on the channel. Cafe. And breakfast around here, let's see, $7 for breakfast. That's about average. $6, $7, $8 maybe. I think one of the most expensive breakfasts I had here was $10. But you really don't even need to pay that much for breakfast. It's one of the cheapest meals that you're gonna get here in the West End. This is one of the markets here where you can buy a few things that you might need. And there are quite a few stores here that you can get, you know, water, soda, some snacks. Here's another gift shop. They sell a lot of these are dry shirts. You can use them for the water to kind of protect your body from the sun. A lot of cute ones out here. Those go for about $15. Or maybe you can negotiate for a better deal. There's also a Cressy shop. This is if you want like a snorkel mask, buy snorkel gear here. There's a shop here, right in town. And so there's quite a few beachside bars and restaurants. And then right here, this is very important. This is the water taxi. So let's say you want to go to West Bay, which has the most popular beach here in Roatan. You can take the water taxi. I believe it's $3 to $5. Usually it depends on how many people are going on the same ride with you, but usually they wait for a couple people to gather so they have more than just one or two people, and then they'll take you out to West Bay. And then you can also thank you. See, they have tours here that you can get information about our book right here too. This one is another restaurant. It's probably the most expensive restaurant I've seen here on the West End. All right, now we're approaching a lot of restaurants and the nightlife. This is where it happens here on this side of West End. The Tiki Bar looks like they're closed today, but you can get drinks and food from them. And then here's Callaloo's, one of my favorite, and I would say for the best bargain as far as food, you want to go check out Callaloo's. You can get baleadas for about $1, $1.50. Hi! And they have an upstairs terrace up there with, again, amazing view. I Haven't been to this one yet, but this bar and restaurant is also right on the water. So one of the foods that are very popular out here is chicken, lots and lots of chicken. So this is Anthony's Chicken and More. This is a restaurant. They have all kinds of chicken, jerk chicken, grilled chicken, but they also do things like fish, seafood, etc. But in the nighttime, you're actually going to find some street vendors doing the chicken. I highly suggest going to eat from them and support more of the local businesses here. And I have tasted the food from the local street food. It's very, very good. Then not only is it very, very good, it's also very affordable. You can get a chicken plate with rice and beans and tortillas for about $5, some $6, $7 the most. That's a great deal for a little budget dinner, and it's delicious. So I'm going to be heading here this morning. I haven't gone. I just stepped in for a little bit and I thought it was super cute. This is the Roatán Chocolate Factory and Cafe.